chicken for harvest based on market specifications. So please read in unison our learning objectives at the end of the lesson. The learners will be able to
list some characteristics of suitable chicken for harvest. Select suitable chicken for harvest based on market specifications and value the importance of carefully selecting suitable chicken for harvest.
So I have here now. So consider these jumbled letters to answer this question. What should you do with a chicken that has reached maturity? And how should you dispose of the chicken? Who has an idea? Okay, please, Miss Silatan.
So,
What do you think? What that
chicken has reached maturity.
Yes.
If the chicken has reached its maturity,
for the
we
number
will
one?
harvest that one and then we will send it to the market.
How? Okay, thank you so much. Give a hand for Miss Silatan, please. So once the chicken has reached maturity and has started laying eggs or market eggs, so harvesting takes place. There must be a selection of suitable chickens for harvest based on market specification. So I'm going to share another again, picture analysis. What do you see in the picture, Miss Arnes? Then you, what's up? Like some.
The chicken will harvest na para i-sell sa market.
Okay, thank you. That's correct. Next, what's an idea? Miss Coro, what did you see in our picture? What did you see in the picture? Okay, thank you. So dressing the chicken. Next one is Udina. What's drying the chicken? Okay, that's correct. Thank you so much. So, by those pictures, the figure shows an arrow indicating some steps in raising organic chicken. Answer the question in the last box by showing or demonstrating possible activities after the chicken have raised it to 45 days for broiler. Remember that? And 2.5 months for native chicken. So, first mag-purchase man kita, no? Then sunod mag-raise na. Then, what should you do after the chicken raise reaches 2.5 months old? So, magamit na ito inisida sa ato next activity. Ang una inisida na, we will be grouped into 4. So, those are moving to and some are Sarah. So, show or demonstrate your experience with harvest chicken. There will be a chicken marketers, chicken sealer, chicken catcher, and chicken butcher. So, pwede ra in your own way to show or demonstrate. That dahil sa inyo pa kung hindi ito pag-starte, probably ako, rubric for demonstration, eye contact, knowledge of process, and confidence and enthusiasm. So, 15 ang score ko na makuha ng highest. And then for the rubric for role play, accuracy and believability, clarity of speech, expression, and body language. So 5 points up. Are you ready, class? Yes. Okay. So I will you will hear your group 4. So do I have count yourself. Three groups ba? 3?
Opo.
Sige, pwede like people na lang ako si seller sa si marketer.
Yes.
Pag-sell nila,
Yeah.
okay po ito. Sige, the group 3 is line over the group 1, the middle, the group 2, and the group 3. So first, the group 1.
Ako ba, chicken catcher, ikaw mo.
So group one is the ayun na, okay, pumunta ka mo. Sige na, good sila. So, group 1 will be the marketer.
Zero one.
Marketer and the marketer and the sealer. Maglupo anay ka mo dili. Group yourself anay. To have brainstorming. Ang leader, Mukali. Okay. So, ani as the marketer and seller. Chicken catcher. Okay, I will be giving you 3 minutes to practice. Okay, I think no one is ready, but we have to wait for the others to brainstorm.
Ma'am, balik na ma'am.
Ready na ba sa iyo? Oo, sa akong hindi mo baligyan ng product. Diba, nagkuhan na.
Ay, sige lang ako doon. Ang sa'yo kay marketer.
Yes, perfect idea.
Ay, di ba yung palit ko?
Yes, show or demonstrate. Maybe it's a fun. It depends on your or a show radio or a demonstrate. It's up to you. Gusto nyo mag-put ang pag-demonstrate sa voucher, show na lang nila. Si sellers na si marketer, hindi demonstrate the duplicate. Hindi man kaya naman. Okay, guys. Now we have to follow the procedure. First is the chicken marketer and the chicken seller. Okay, let's see that. Marketer and seller and okay. Let's present now the grade 1.
Morning, everyone. We are the group 1 and we are going to present to you how the marketer and seller so play.
Oh, balak.
Mupalit ka 20 kilos na chicken, ma'am. Makalas ka over 1,000 pesos, ma'am, sa among product. And you know that Magnolia is fresh vegetables from the farm.
Balit ko, ma'am. 40 ka kilo.
40 na kilo, sabi, ma'am. It's a deal.
Oh, balak. Balit na ka mo, manong. That's all. Oh, let's have a hand for group 1. Are you ready, group 2? It's present now.
Good morning, everyone. We are the group 2, the chicken catcher presenter. So, we're going to illustrate some ways to catch a chicken. First, we have to capture the chicken at night, bite the tube, and grab the chicken. Use a quick chicken trap. Use a poultry hook. Build a secure hook. So, from the picture, this is the chicken hook. Then, dapat mo siyang lampon during night time. Then, bahuganin mo para butuol. Then, tada! Gapan! May approach tayo tapos ano.
give a hand for group 2. Thank you so much. Are you ready, group 3? You may present now.
So our part is to demonstrate you on how to watch the chicken. So we are the girl
Sabi na we are the chicken butchers.
So first step is to wash the chicken. Number two is cut the meat, and then cut the head. In part 2, removing the crop. Removing the crop. Kaya may yung pag-ganito. Something like sa likod. And then, open the cavity. They are sliced.
Let me show the pictures. Okay?
Alagang show da.
Para makita sa
Slice
inyo.
para ma-access ang food sa inside. And then,
So say
you have to remove the guts. Yan. Para mga small intestines. And, apil ka sa diraa ang pag-remove sa heart and lungs.
Yay!
Yan.
So let's give a hand for group 3. Thank you so much, guys. So, thank you for all the participation, and I'm glad that you are very good, of course. Creative. So, all have got 15 points for all. Congratulate yourself because you did well. So, based on the activity, how harvest organic or broiled chicken? Is there any idea? How to harvest organic or broiled chicken? No. Okay. So, in harvesting organic chicken to include the production phase. As the final stage of production, extra care. At ito na sa demo kaina na sila, hindi sa mga gobernador, extra care po, no? Has to be employed by the raiser to keep the chicken in good condition para dili kung pag i-market na ni ID sa nanimuan, nagkalasog-lasog na. So, dapat with extra care, taro na dun ang pag-harvest. As they reach the market or to the final consumers to command better price. Siyempre, kung sino mo palit sa pula sulusog na mo baligya, di ba? Wala. Ikaw ganahan kung hindi sa presentable. So again, each group will discuss the topic and recall what you did when you raised organic chicken. Okay. Discuss. Again, same groupings, you have to discuss and recall about the lesson. So, characteristic, the group 1 will be the characteristic, and harvesting, the group 2, and the 4 piece might be good. Okay, I'll give you 3 minutes to restore. Just discuss or additional something. Discussion. Characteristics. These are the characteristics. Ready na mo? Kung ba may natin
So, good morning again. We are the group 1, and these are the characteristics of organic chicken suitable for harvest. So, letter A has been free from injury or sickness, of course. Pag mag-send juta o gustuan, dapat free from any injury or sickness para mas lako ang atong halin. Then, has been fed with organic feeds all through or 2/3 of its life. So, kailangan nila ito ng fees o mga organic production. Then, has never been given antibiotics in the last 2/3 of its life dahil ang contain na nasa ilang meat ang mga antibiotics kung ano sila tulutang on farming. Then, fourth one is has attained the desired age and rate. Kaya para dito magansi.
Thank you, Group 1, Ms. Kevin Han. Okay, Group 2.
So, good morning, everyone.
Harvesting of organic chicken. So the first one we have harvest chicken at least two and a half months or 75 days old co-mated chicken. Then during harvest dapat dili na to sila stress guys. Na ano siya yung tendency nga pagkalog ko yung chicken kasi masik na yung iwan yung black market na ay sakit. Then, the third one is harvest the chicken with a proper harvesting budget, preferably during the night. So, as what we discussed earlier, katong about sa pag-harvest, ikuan mo siya, i-catch during night, and using those gadgets or katong ang na-mention na, harvest, ay, what, hook, katong hook daw, chicken hook na, yung ikuan sa FPA, para di kaya siya ma-injured.
Yes, next is harvest the chicken with TLC or thinner lapping gear. So, of course, di dapat basta-basta. Dapat lang manok, dapat ato siya panggaon. Then, the chicken na siya so, di, porque paano sila, isel lang sila, porque ilagyan lang sila dapat sila, kailangan lang attention and of course.
Okay. A round of applause for the Group 2. Okay.
So good morning, everyone. We are the first grade. So in marketing, there are 4 things to consider, which are the product, the price, the place, and the promotion. First is, of course, the product. It refers to anything offered for sale which can satisfy a want or need. Since the study focuses on raising organic chicken, then broiler and eggs are products and the produce. And in the price means it is the amount of money charged for a product or service. The organic chicken is usually sold at a premium price and it is more nutritious, safer, and better to health, environment friendly, and many other benefits derived from it. So, di ba, mag-consider ang mga consumers, mag-consider din na sila sa price ng imong product. Kung mahal na kaayo ang imong product and then dili siya kanang part makuha din sa quality, di ba? Di ba magbagay man ang quality, dapat ibagay mo sa price. So, that's why as a marketer, dapat kahibaw ka mo balance sa price sa quality sa imong product. So, the third piece for marketing is the place. This can be at the farm, in the store, or anywhere as long as selling and buying produce take place. And number 4 is the promotion. Promotion is a technique employed by producers that uses a number of strategies to let the product per se known to the customers. Use of mass media rather, is the most common practice of advertising products. Online selling is related to. So, sa place, of course, you need to consider sa place bitaw kanang gawin mo pero anang area is makilig magmanok ng mga tao para dila ka ma-idea. And then promotion, of course, you need to promote your product. Yes, para dahil siyang halis ka na strategy para ma-promote mo ang imong either necessarily or whatsoever.
Exactly. A round of applause for Group 3.
after that is
This one, the foods and regulations relative to organic chicken. So, dahil ba tayo kung regulations sa organic chicken? So, has to comply with the organic law RA 168, implements good health animal husbandry practices, and then follows the regulations, conforms to animal welfare, adheres to the Philippine national standards. So, uno magiging RA 168. An act providing for the development and promotion of organic agriculture in the Philippines and for other purposes. So, dapat yung nandito guys ha, kay hindi mo matagwag na please na talaga. Kaya no, short please later. So marketing ato sa Ilasara refers to a series of services involved in moving a product from the point of production sa farm to the point of consumption sa final consumer. So it bridges the producer to the consumer, which is crucial to the organic poultry business to ensure profit. So para makadako ang ginansya. So i-consider natin ito yung 4 piece na report ng delivery. So these are the basic survey questions for the broilers. Alam si Olivia, who was out there. So yun yung mga questions na kinahanglan sa what will I charge for tagpilang sa kilo, belum sa mga tag-300 sa butalang. So ito mo andun sa market na, tagpilang naman natin po ang ito. Magkanvas ka, na para sing-sing sa panimukuan, di isabkaw na magpataas o magpaubos. Kaya kung quality yung product, mag-ipaubos sa danimo, gawin din mo gilan siya. So, pag-nerve sa di mo ang market taste. So, for eggs, same raw or well sell the eggs, produce sa inyong product. So, try to watch this video. Ako na lang may makita sa video ang other kung nilang pang-harvest para ilang idea sa other pamilya. Yung na diyan ang pagkuhan sa ila. Sorry. Sorry ka. Sige na, hindi naman kinahanglan ang pag-harvest naman ito yung di ba may iba natin din? Ninyo kung sa ninja pag-harvest, ang importante yung pag-harvest. Tanawa lang, kung ito kakuhan, there is a technique. Ako sa mga technique na tagamit ko ng dito. Nga na di ay, kung sa ako, nakakuhan sa buong harvest, naka-ihaw naman ko, ako pala naman ko, ako isa pa ko, naman pa ko. Tapos, kita na yun, si Tata Isa, gadgets na, para simple way na di ay, is one kita ni Pili ko, galun na daon. Di mo lang, galun na daon na. Dito, dito mo kita na ako doon dito sa ako. Ano na, pag-server na. Apply ko dito. Sana magkuha sa manok, pwede naman sila nakatangkal, di ba? Kung nakatangkal, siyempre simple na, kapag catch na, pero wala naman. Pero, pag mag-catch ka sa manok, dili ko daw dito sa liyo, kaya mo tahay kanto, ay mo naman tahay ko, sira rin mo sa iyogon ra. Oo, ako na bitaw, iyogon na din. So, uli lang akong kanila, Mel, kasi matod may tender loving care, koro, di ba? Treat us human. Total awari ka. Oh, siki, di ba? Dili sa siki. Oo. Then, para daw kuno pala doon ma-relax sa chicken. Para din sa oh, kahit na dalong kuno dili, lao para relax daw. So, ako na kayo, ano yung burger? Oh, ano na lang, bro. Yes! Lutang ko sa kalun. Dapat dami ang ingana. Nakatala mo dito yung kuloloy? Yeah, ano? Naa dito. Isang buwan na sila, hanggang kapalimutan sila. With love and care, gihapon na to. With love and care, ganun gihapon, ma. Ako, nakatry din ko sa oras na ako ito na hindi nga, nakakita ko. Kasi si mama, walang sumama na. Walang Laong ha. Itlit. Di man, di man, ako may kuang naman, hindi man yung ang liw ka na. Kung sa liw ra, o gan sa liw, ay liw ka na ko. Dila ra. If there's a tuhon, oo. Tagaan ba sa kamarang market yung mga kuan. Kabayo na, kita, di ba, mga BTL at Fisher Arts, di ba? Anak na, kita gil sa sir lang na sir, pag magtuan, mag-ihaw. Sige. Okay, that's it. Next. Guys, I will show you other palm na ano. Natawa dito ang kuan, walay ako na naman ang video sa pagkamidas sa mga eggs pagpastar. Rice hull! Uy, di ba sa rice hull, no? Oh, so, no, wala may dito tray. O, isa pa man na dito sa, dami sa barbukit, isa na dito sa market ko. O, para din magkabag mo, rice hull, ayaw mo, ito. Yes, ingat to, ang ilang kuhan. So, ingat to ang other methods. So, dili na lang ako kung ano ang direksyon na ta. Basta kay, nakuha ko, no? Nakuha ni Kapsida, di ba? We have other methods. Sa other country, we have other methods. So, next, activity for peer group. So, muna kanini how to harvest chicken, no? So, ini, I will show you ang importance sa selecting chicken na tapos sa pinituan kay na quality assurance, efficiency and optimization, importantly, ang resources usually i-optimize. Then, meeting standard expectations sa mga customers. Important, health and safety, important ka doon sa loob para hindi mo na poison na natutuan. So now, since we don't have time, so this will be your assignment. I will send it to the GC. And another one is this one. Pakipicture kan, why it is important. So I hope that you, I'll join any questions, class. Okay. So thanks. I hope that you will learn from my Sabbath discussion. Thank you so much and God bless you all.